Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Here is a motivational story for English speaking. The story of Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, India. She dreamed of becoming an astronaut, but English was a major obstacle. She struggled to speak English fluently. Kalpana moved to the United States for higher studies. She faced many challenges, but she didn't give up. She practiced speaking English every day, watching TV shows, listening to podcasts, and speaking with native speakers. Her hard work paid off. Kalpana became the first Indian born woman to fly in the space. She inspired millions of people worldwide. Moral: don't let language barriers hold you back. Keep practicing and you will achieve your goals. Believe in yourself and your dreams will take flight. Thanks for being an amazing viewer. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome content.